You know, my thought about English as our language is, it is our language, and that people who don't speak English, they can, what one does in their home is not a concern of mine. But I don't think the taxpayers ought to pay for the consequences of hiring interpreters and, you know, signs in multiple languages. At the courthouse, for example, that it's not us as citizens of this country to pay for people who either don't or haven't learned English. We need to put English in their language as quickly as possible for the common good of the country. And again, if you know, Keith's right. I live in Hayes, where everybody's German, Catholic, and Democrat, and we grew up with people who spoke German. But that was what they did at home. It wasn't what they did when they came to the courthouse to pay their taxes.